Climate change is a hot topic in the scientific community, but pinpointing exactly how the warming planet will affect us can be difficult. Ben Tracy visited a unique research site in northern Minnesota where scientists are working to figure that out.
This is the Marcel Experimental Forest, but you could just as easily call it a climate change time machine.
Each one of these is giving you a manipulation of what the future may behold.
David Weston is a senior scientist at Oak Ridge National Laboratory. He and more than 100 other researchers come here to study how different degrees of global warming might impact the world's northern forests.
It's giving us some idea of how far we can push the system and how resilient the system may be.
They pump heat and carbon dioxide into these chambers. The temperature simulations range from no warming all the way up to a frightening 9 degrees Celsius, or more than 16 degrees Fahrenheit.
So this is the upper end of what we're trying to simulate.
And so at this level of warming, clearly this doesn't react very well.
No, we're not doing very well here.
These hexagon-shaped chambers here at the experimental forest are open to the sky. Each one is more than 30 feet tall, 40 feet wide, and there are 10 of them here on this massive 7-acre site, each one providing a different glimpse into the future.
Unfortunately, what they're discovering here inside these chambers is that the hotter the planet gets, the boreal forest ecosystem dries out. The critical peat moss is eaten up by bacteria and replaced by shrubs. That carbon, once captured in the ground, is released into the atmosphere.
That's the crisis that we face. It's taking a carbon from a solid form in a stable form stored in these peatlands to being a gas in the atmosphere that's a greenhouse gas.
These drier northern forests are now more prone to wildfires. Record-breaking blazes tore through the boreal forests of Siberia in the past 2 years, charring millions of acres and spewing record amounts of carbon dioxide into the sky.
In some ways, this place is kind of a giant warning to humans about the future.
Maybe it gives us a reason to act, right? I'm a bit of an optimist, but why roll the dice? Let's solve the problem now.